Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are making this beautiful scarf. It is made up of single crochet and alternating spike stitch. The simple way to describe this is you make a single crochet stitch and then insert your hook at the bottom of the next stitch to make it a longer stitch. Once you get the hang of it, it's a very simple stitch, but it creates a really nice pattern. Let's begin. The materials we need for our scarf: worsted weight yarn. You need a 5.5 millimeter hook, yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. Okay, to begin our scarf, you need any even number. Okay, so I am going to chain 32. Start with a slip knot, and then I'm gonna chain 32. Right, I have my 32 chains. Next, I'm making a single crochet on the second chain from the hook, and repeat until end of the row. Okay, done with the first row. Next, chain 1 and turn your work. I'm going to make a single crochet on the first stitch. With the second one, instead of inserting your hook here, you are inserting your hook at the base of the stitch. Okay, you do not insert the hook on at the top, you just insert it at the base of your second stitch. Okay, the next one, you insert the hook, just the normal single crochet on the top loops. The next one, you insert the hook at the base of your next stitch. Normal single crochet, next one at the base of your stitch. Make sure you make your spikes or the stitches at the base a little bit looser so they look a little bit taller. Let's make the last few stitches together. I just made a one at the base, a normal one here. Insert the hook at the base and a normal single crochet. And this is our second row. We are gonna chain one. So we ended here with a normal stitch. The way this works is you alternate your spikes or inserting the hook at the base of each stitch. So which means the first one you are going to insert the hook at the base of the stitch instead of inserting it at the top. I hope that makes sense. We finished with a normal single crochet, so the next, on the third row, you are inserting your hook at the base of your stitch. The next one is a normal stitch. Next, you are inserting the hook at the base, normal single crochet, you make a spike stitch, okay, I'm gonna try and do it slow again. This one, you are inserting the hook at the base of this stitch. Make sure you pull it up so you create a taller stitch. This next one is just a normal single crochet. You insert your hook on the top of your loops. This one, it's at the base, inserting the hook at the base of your stitch. Next one, normal single crochet. Next one at the base, single crochet. Next at the base, so it's just basically alternating long stitch and a short stitch. I'm ending with a long stitch here, chain one. We ended with a long stitch, which means after we turn, we are making a normal single crochet. And then our next one is going to be a long one. I hope this makes sense for you to continue repeating this. It's basically the same stitch, you just stagger your spikes. I call the longer one spikes. And then we just insert the hook on the top loops for the next stitch, and your scarf keeps growing. and normal single crochet. Great. Chain 1, and you are repeating the same thing. We ended up with a normal stitch, which means the next one is our spike stitch, or it's a longer one. You insert at the base. The next one is a normal single crochet stitch. Second one, base. I hope you now get it. Work on your scarf until you have your desired length. Let's finish the last few stitches together, and I'm just gonna make one right here. Okay, so this is how my scarf is. I added a different color in the middle. This is how much is left, so I'm just gonna cut the yarn so it's not too long when I seam the scarf together. So I'm gonna cut the yarn and fasten off. All right, next I am going to align both ends of my scarf so I can seam the ends together. This is the part where you just weave in the ends if you are not making a circle scarf. I'm just gonna go back and forth like this until the end of the scarf. You should have the same number of stitches on either side. Okay, so do the method you prefer to finish up your scarf. Okay, I'm gonna do mine as